Usembut Menteri Rangba badai pej ya ketenat kampo yeng ke Jyla bak Preston Tensong ulaya thu bak Sorkar Meghalaya kala khot ya ke Jingyalang ban ya perkhat halor ke Jingyai beteng ban penkenria ya ki Briew ki basha keno bagi wan sa bean ha sam ka badai ke Jyla ba marjan habakran sekilat pakai Khubor uba Preston ulapan pau ba la ajing Bthah shau DGP ki baro ki bor sensyar distrik bat ki superintendent of police bakin Peitngor bha bat ban bud din ya kinu ki jingwan Rung tu sya ka Jyla ula pentip syu ba kumba kalong menta ka Sorkar kampat yo kanu ka kai phot ka ba kedau ya ka jinglet jingwan ni ka jingwan bu hai Shillong jong ki Briew ki balasha penkenria bakin Rung tu sya ka ni ka Jyla halor ke jinga kran penbait put ha padeng ki Jyla uba Preston ulaya thu baka Sorkar Meghalaya menta kadang up ya ka jubab na ka Sorkar Assam ha ka baya dei baka jing bu por ya ka sin ban wan jong ka jinga kran put ka bati kena ulapan kesan biang baka Meghalaya kala dep pha ya ka jing kerpat na ka banta ka tarik ban ya kendu bat kadang up ya ka jing pentikna na ka tei ka Jyla.
In fact, we already had a meeting with all the concerned department. We have already instructed the DGP and also all the concerned district administration and the SPs to be more vigilant in case if there is any kind of influx through Assam or if there is any kind of trying to enter the state of Meghalaya. We have already alerted and we have already instructed also to all the district administration, both DC and the SP.
Any detection till now?
Till today, no information yet. We are yet to get any information, and we will update you if you have any detection. If we get any detection, I think, as I said, we will come back.
Lastly, on the border talks, of course, a few incidents after the incident. So, what is the status now?
Well, the status right now, in fact, we are waiting the date from our counterpart, because as I said to you, from Assam side they have 3-4 chairmen of different location. So whereas this side we have in the West Kasil side, where Paul Lingdo is the chairman, and then the Riboy side and Block 2, I am the chairman, and Jantia Hills side and Block 1 is SDR is Deputy CM is the chairman. So ultimately, as I said to you, we have already we have already requested our counterpart to fix the date, which is convenient to both. So let us wait and see whether the date is available or not for them, because I've already told you once. I think almost all parties, even all MLAs, all ministers, it seems they are also busy preparing for the next general election, which is to be held in Assam next year.
So the site
We have already requested that, and then let us see. And once we get the indication from their side, then we will accordingly fix the date.
So coming to the immigrants issue, the border security force also has been alerted.
Yes, that also. In fact, be it the BSF, be it the custom, be it our police from the state, we are on the job, and then we are already instructed all the concerned forces to be more vigilant and to be more proactive to detect those illegal immigration if it happens in any parts of our state. Okay.